Alright, well, I wanted to do an update video on the truck. Yes, cardboard spacers for now. I don't have any brackets. I'm not gonna get them for a while. I think I'm actually gonna weld something in there, but there's some things that need to be welded up in there anyway, so all this is gonna come off again. But it's all on here. Everything's working pretty good. The truck is running. It does have a slight misfire. A little bit of rust. But one of the things that I wanted to update you guys on is actually underneath the truck. So I went ahead and got some stock parts, some stock piping to run the passenger side over to the driver, and then you can see down there I got an exhaust on it. It's still not very quiet. I'll show you. Here, I'm gonna be taking the headlights out in a second to upgrade those. Runs. It's a good bit quieter now. I figured out the grinding issue, and I figured out the grounding issue that I was having, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. So I've actually got a cherry bomb under there into a muffler, and then I've just got it coming straight out the end of the muffler. Now, that's okay. It's also hung up too. Got actual hangers hanging it up. Let me show you that. An actual hanger holding it up. So we connected it with just a wide pipe right now, so it is not true dual. And one of the other things I did was I wired in the Digital Designs amp. I know it's very messy. Remember, this did just get built. And I just threw this guy in here for now. So, got that in there and tuned up. There's two 1,000 watt Kenwoods. I don't really like Kenwood, in my opinion. They're not punchy enough and they don't make them big enough. But the important part is that we got it running and driving. It shifts good. It just overall runs way better now after running about 52, 53 miles now, and looking a lot better. But the thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to get those reflector pieces out of there. They're both of them. And I really don't like those. It makes the LEDs look like garbage. Maybe it's because these are cheap LEDs, but it doesn't allow enough light to come through. I think that's just because of where they're placed, but whatever. I'm going to pull them out of there. I just wanted to give you guys the update. I did get a lot of the stuff out of the back. We got 140 or so pounds of old metal and parts and stuff out of the back, so that's good. And yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. I plan on getting some tow mirrors for it. Hopefully some black ones or maybe some blue ones. If I can find blue ones, I'm putting blue ones on it. This is also going to be painted blue. Mine was a little messed up. Yeah, there's the update. And you guys have a good one.